Today's journey takes us from Surnadal, around Tingvoll, with several detours along the way. Our local area offers many little gems around the fjord branches that encircle us here on the coast of central Norway. Therefore, we made some detours where the road winds closer to the shore rocks. The first detour went out from Kanstraum ferry terminal past Magnillen camping in Kvisvik, before we took a small detour to Torhjulsvågen. The road then continued to Vågbo, before we made the last two detours to Nesoya and Stangvika.